The on-off switch controls the flow of electricity to the tool's motor. It is a simple switch that interrupts just one of the wires. If you suspect the switch is bad, it can be easily tested for continuity using a multimeter. Replacing a bad switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the switch cover from the saw. Now remove the wires from the switch. With the wires removed, now I can remove the switch from the housing. The switch is held in place with a couple of plastic tabs, and I'll use a screwdriver to help press them out. Now I can snap the new switch into the housing. Make sure that the side of the switch with the indent aligns with the side of the housing that says on. And now I can reinstall the wires. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the switch housing. And that's all it takes to install a new switch on your scroll saw.